Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm reviewing Kylie's new holiday collection for 2019. The packaging for this entire collection is so stunning. I can't wait to review it for you guys. And this is the collection that I purchased. I ended up purchasing the Kylie Favorites bundle. I thought it had all the pieces that I really had my eye on. I really want to talk about this stunning eyeshadow palette. I mean, the packaging is so adorable. I love that she made it look like a letter. And then inside it has Dear Santa, so beautiful. I feel like this year Kylie created such a unique collection. A lot of collections out there have really been doing basically the same thing, but I love the reds in this collection. This palette is so stunning. I love the glitters. I love the red. It blends so well. The way I got this look today, I first picked up a Reindeer Dreams right here. It's a really nice nude color and I blended it into my crease. And then I used this red color here. It's called Treat Your Elf. The names are really cute, but I blended that right onto my outer corner and my goodness, is it so blendable and also really pigmented. With the collection also came with this shimmer eye glaze and I really wanted to use it. Now, the entire collection also had a red eye glaze and a silver one. I ended up getting this silver white, I guess, with little chunky glitters. This came automatically with the Kylie Favorites bundle and I'm glad I did get it because you have a lot of reds in this palette. I feel like it's really unnecessary to also purchase the red eye glaze because you already have red glitters in here, but you don't quite have this chunky kind of silver white glitter in this palette. I knew I really wanted to use this, so I thought maybe I would do a cut crease. Instead of a cut crease, I ended up picking up this Kylie Christmas. I just used my finger and patted it right into my inner corner. And because this color is so pigmented, it actually looked like a cut crease. So for those of you that feel like doing a cut crease with a cream is difficult, using something like this is so easy. I just patted it in, use my brush to kind of pat it right in, but don't blend it in because it will really blend into your skin. But without blending it, just patting it in there, it really looked like a cut crease. And then what I did is I just applied this eye glaze right on top and oh my God, the glitter is so beautiful. It's chunky enough for it to not be too much. Now, of course, there is fallout, but it's gorgeous. I loved it. And then I use this color right over here in between to blend both colors together. I think this is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. It's definitely unique. I don't feel like I have these colors in my collection. So if you guys are looking for a unique eyeshadow palette this holiday season, I definitely feel Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow palette is definitely one to go for. Something else that I've used in this bundle are the brushes. Now, I actually really like the brushes. I know when she first came out with her brushes, even though they were really expensive, it got so much hate, but I think that they're really good. I thought they were good quality. Of course, they're not like the high-end brushes where they're super soft, but they are soft enough to be good to kind of apply your makeup. I applied my entire makeup today using these brushes. So I used all of the small ones. You get 4 different brushes, 3 eye ones, and then one for kind of your blush or even your bronzer. I love that they come in red. It's just, it really puts together that whole holiday feel. And I think anybody would love these. So that's the palette, the eye glaze, and the brushes. Now, I have not used anything else in this entire bundle, so I'm going to completely be opening this up right in front of you guys, and I'm really excited to try all the other lipsticks. I also got the setting spray, and let's see here, ooh, the blush and the highlighter. I'm really excited to use that. Okay, so let's see, let's go ahead and try the blush, I think. All right, again, really cute packaging. I love the red and I love that this comes with a little bit of glitter sparkles in there. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I love the color choices for this entire collection. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and use this blush and highlighter. Okay, let me get out that brush that's in this kit. This is kind of like a peach type of blush. All right, so it's not very pigmented. I'm really going in there. You can see it's Hardly took anything out really. All right, let's see what this looks like. Get my hair out of the way. Let me zoom you guys in. I don't feel like I'm picking up really anything. Okay. So it's not that pigmented, but it still gives a nice flush. Oh. I'm actually kind of disappointed with the blush. But I think that it compensates for the eyeshadow palette because it's so pigmented. You don't really want an entirely pigmented blush, but still. Oh yeah, this definitely picked up quite a bit. Oh, it's a really pretty highlighter. Actually, I like that. I really like that blush and highlighter duo. Okay, so not bad. I probably thought the blush would be just a little bit more of an intense color, but not bad. The collection also comes with this cute ornament that has a lipstick in there, and this one is the nude color. Also really cute Christmas packaging. All right, let's try this out. I am not a huge fan of the lipstick formulas for Kylie. I really prefer the liquid lipsticks. The collection also comes with some lip glosses. I do really like Kylie's lip gloss formula. Comes with 3. Ooh, these are really pretty. So this one is a clear type of gloss. Yeah, it's just regular clear. Ooh, this one's really pretty. I like this one. And we also have a red one. I guess you could say this one's more pink. It's like a pink red. This is what I'm looking forward to, the liquid lipstick, and this one is a matte liquid lipstick and the lip liner as well, and it's called Naughty List. When Kylie swatched this red, I thought it was so beautiful. I love her liquid lipsticks. I feel like she's the one that started this liquid lipstick frenzy where everyone just fell in love with a liquid lipstick. Normally when I remove lipstick and I apply a new one, I either use my beauty blender or just get a brush with a little bit of powder, even if you have your blush on there, and kind of pat your lips. So there's a lip liner. I love Kylie's lip liners. I think they're some of the best out there. And I love that she always adds a lip liner to go with her liquid lipsticks. I think that's really awesome. Now for the liquid lipstick. Oh, this red is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. I love the intensity. I think that no matter how intense your eye look is, this lipstick is just gonna be way more intense, and wow, this is crazy beautiful. Okay, so that's the liquid lipstick, the eyeshadow palette, the blush, the highlighter. Love this look, so pretty. I don't even want to add a lip gloss on top of this lip color. The lipstick is so comfortable. I love this color, it's so beautiful. Kind of reminds me of a Marilyn Monroe type of red lipstick. Gorgeous. The last thing that I purchased is the setting spray. Now, I believe this is the same formula as Kylie's normal setting spray that comes in a pink bottle, but she probably just changed the bottle to a red. I'm not sure if she changed the scent to this in comparison to her regular formula. I don't have the regular formula, but I really wanted to purchase this. This did not come with the Kylie bundle, the Kylie Favorites bundle. Okay, let's try this out. Oh, it smells really good. I love the spray mist on this too. Oh, this smells so good. It's not intense, but it's really beautiful enough. And that's it for Kylie's holiday collection for 2019. I think this entire collection is stunning. If you guys don't want to purchase the entire collection, I would highly recommend the eyeshadow palette. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. The colors are very unique. I feel like no other company really has these colors right now that are released for the holidays. And I would definitely recommend the liquid lipstick. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love that matte liquid lip in red. I think when it comes to a red lipstick, matte is definitely the way to go. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you are thinking about purchasing anything from this collection, I hope it made your choice a lot easier. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.